everybody. I hope you enjoyed that last video of the 4 ways to make money. Now here are 6 secrets of real estate investing. And this will go ahead and talk to you more about more investing. This is just, again, some highlights. If you want all of the information, then I'll go ahead and share the link with you on the book and the YouTube video that you can watch, which summarizes it. Each of his YouTube videos are usually about 15 minutes long. Some are a little bit longer, but this is the actual title of the YouTube video that you can go to get all of the information. But I just wanted to give you guys an introduction here and go over his highlights of what I learned from his video and his book. And I'm really excited. I hope this will give you guys some more information on the possibilities of real estate investing, and eventually we will have a separate course on real estate investing itself. If you have any questions, go ahead and share it in the Facebook group, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. Let's get started. 6 Secrets of Real Estate Investing by Robert Kiyosaki. First is OPM, other people's money. He says go ahead and borrow money from a bank or a private investor. It is fine to go into debt if you use debt to your advantage. Using debt to your advantage means that you will be making more money than the amount that your monthly debt is worth. So the way to do this is to be able to invest in real estate and buy a home. Say your monthly debt is $1,000, but if you can rent it out or have it be used for commercial, and you can be able to rent it to a company, then you can charge them more than $1,000 of what your debt is worth, and then you would be able to make a profit. Second is get 3 types of income, or at least have one of these 3 types. First is earned income, which I will explain in the next slide. Portfolio income, and passive income, aka cash flow. Earned income is money you receive as an employee when you work hourly or salary. Portfolio income is money you receive from stocks in real estate. And passive income is money you receive when the earner expends income with little to no effort. For example, if you create an online product and you keep reselling it, you will keep making money even though you've already completed the product. And the same goes for real estate. You will put the money in up front to buy it, but you will continue to earn money from it each month when you rent it. Third, get financial advice. Make sure you invest in knowledge to learn about assets and liabilities. Take a basic accounting class and understand expenses. Learn about your profit and loss, credits and debits, income and expenses. These will all help you when you are figuring out a good investment to make and how much it will cost you up front and for repairs and what you can sell in the end. Invest for cash flow. Always acquire assets. Don't spend money on liabilities. And research good investments. Make sure you have a mentor or somebody that can help coach you with finding a good investment. Know how to invest. Learn a good investment versus a risky investment. Learn the 5 exit strategies of how to get out of a property before you close on the deal. So always make sure you have 5 exit strategies before you close on the property. Learn how to get your return on investment for cost versus expenses. This is where you need the mentor to help do the numbers with you and coach you along of what a realistic amount would be to fix up the property. 6, raise capital. Figure out how you can afford the investment. Never say, I can't afford it. Always ask, how can I afford it? And then you will be able to think out of the box and get further along than other people. Thank you for watching. Follow me on social media, and I will see you on the next video.